Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Made Easy. Today we are going to discuss the problem diameter of binary tree. Given the root of a binary tree, return the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a binary tree. The path may or may not pass through the root. The length of the path between two nodes is represented by the number of edges between them. Okay, so let's see the solution for this. Say we have the left subtree of this and right subtree of this. So the diameter of the left subtree is 2 and right is 0. So with these two values, can we come up with the diameter of the entire binary tree? One option is say max of these two, max of L dia and R dia would give the maximum diameter of the tree without passing through the root. That would give the maximum diameter without passing the root. So how can we, the other candidate which we are missing now is diameter passing through root, dia through root. How would we get that? How would we get that? The only way to get that is the maximum path here passing through this one and the maximum length path passing through the one at here. So that we can get only if we get the height of this subtree and the height of this subtree. So if you get the height of left subtree and height of the right subtree, HL plus HR plus 2. So this is the dia passing through the root. So that means every single node in this tree needs to return the height as well as diameter of the subtree. Using that, we can compute both the diameter, the max diameter passing through the root as well as the one passing without the root, and we can get the max of both. So that is the solution. So each node will return the height and also the diameter. So here, when the node is null, we are returning -1 because if there is a node without any link, then that node is supposed to have a diameter of 0 because the diameter is the number of edges. So if there are no edges, then it's 0. So with edge is 1. So if we have a tree like this, then the diameter is 1 for this, even if there are two nodes. So that is why we are setting it in such a way that if it's null, we are returning -1, and if it's one node, we are returning 0. So let's see. So both of them are returning -1 for height and diameter. So when it becomes a single node, they are both returning 0, 0. So for this node, so the left dia is 0, right dia is 0, 0, 0. What is the diameter passing through the root? It's left height plus right height plus 2. So the answer is 2. So that is why 2 is returned here. And the height is obviously max of left height or comma right height plus 1. So that is done here. So similarly, 1, 2, and 0, 0 for this guy. For 1, the maximum diameter is left diameter max of left diameter, right diameter, left height plus right height plus 2. So it's 3. So the diameter passing through the root is the longest path. So it is this path. So that is the longest diameter. So the left diameter of 2 is basically this one. The right diameter of 0, there is nothing there. So that is the solution. Let's go to the code. So we need a wrapper function because we need to pass both, return both height and diameter. and we'll just return diameter. We'll just ignore the height of the root at the top level. We'll just use it in the recursively other levels of the tree. If root is none, we are going to return -1, -1. Then height we are assigning to 0, dia we are assigning to 0. Then we are gonna return, this is the new height. So maximum of L height plus 1 or R height plus 1. Then the new diameter is, we are either gonna do the left diameter or right diameter, or the one passing through the root is L height plus R height plus 2. So that is, we don't even need these two. Okay, that is accepted. So let's submit it. Okay, great. So solution is accepted. That is all. Thank you for watching. Catch you up in the next video. Thank you. Bye.